Welcome back.
Welcome back. I'm Felicia.
I'm India, and we're Black Girls Grilling. This is Sisterhood Smoke, and we brought a special guest today.
Hi, I'm excited to be here with my favorite girls in their favorite place right next to the big green egg.
It's Sisterhood Smoke.
Come on.
So we bringing the heat. So today we are debuting a Mother's Day brunch menu.
Yes.
We're gonna run it down. We have smoked pineapple mimosas. Sis, what else is on the menu?
Today we have also our French toast brioche bread with a little dried fruit, a little raisin, mandarin, also dried in the bread as well. And we also have our smoked charcuterie board that our mom will be setting up for us today.
Absolutely. Can't forget about the bacon, and of course we have eggs as well. So because we're cooking a lot of different items, we got the eggs set at just a good solid temperature. Everything is going direct. So our bottom vent has about maybe a half of an inch open, and then at the top we have it cracked just about a quarter of an inch. So if you take a look in the inside here, we do have the plancha down. It is grill grate side up, and then we're already smoking our pineapples so that we can get those nice and soaked and smoked up for our pineapple mimosas.
Pineapple mimosas.
Yes, so that's gonna be a really good pineapple simple syrup when it's done. But we're gonna go ahead and get rolling, ladies. Y'all excited?
Yes,
Let's
let's
get this
do
party
it. I
started.
am starved.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna get started with the bacon. Mom, you go ahead and pass me the
Sure,
bacon?
sure. Oh, wow, some really thick bacon. That should be
Yes.
really crispy and delicious.
Yes, I'm excited about this. So we're gonna
Yeah.
go long ways on the plancha here. As you can see, it's already nice and hot. Don't worry about it if you kind of get some things sticking. It's bacon, it's gonna produce a lot of fat.
A lot of fat.
So it'll come up when it is ready.
Oh, wow. Even sounds good.
One thing I love about this piece, or like this additional accessory, is you can do so much with it.
So much.
You know, from burgers to you cooking bacon on the grill, you can flip it over and drop an egg on there. I mean,
Yes.
it's just so many options for.
And the plunger is diversity, so it has the grit side and it also has the flat surface side.
Absolutely.
So if you want those lines, it's perfect for that. If you don't want the lines, flip it over.
You probably could cook hotcakes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that would be delicious. Wow.
For the next brunch video.
Okay, yes.
I love
French
that.
toast
That was
today.
great.
Alrighty. Now sis is gonna show us how to do this French toast.
Yes, again, this is brioche bread with dried fruit, raisins, mandarin, and maybe a couple of nuts. And as you can see, nice and moist because you don't want to get stuck to the grill.
That's right.
This is our heavy whipping cream that we have already mixed with our cinnamon, a little vanilla extract, and also egg. Everyone knows when you're doing French toast, you got to have egg in that heavy whipping cream.
You got to.
So we dip it in just like so. Make sure you coat both sides very well, because you want it nice, and when it cooks, you still want that softness. You still want that creaminess on the inside.
And that's a good looking mix you got too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, definitely. French toast is one of those staple breakfast and brunch. I honestly can eat it any time of day.
You can.
Yeah,
You
I eat it
can.
any time of
You
day.
can.
Yeah,
You
That's-
definitely can.
That's a fan favorite, French toast.
Absolutely.
it is. That's one of the things I look forward to on Mother's Day. Is like just a good Mother's Day brunch. You know, getting together. I always tell people it's one of those days that, you know, the moms want to take a day off, but
Oh,
you still
for
end up.
sure,
I know
for
you
sure.
still working.
Oh
Yeah,
yes,
still
oh
working.
yes. But hey, just to have the family together showing love
That's
Absolutely.
right.
Absolutely.
and fixing something we don't normally eat.
That-
you know,
yeah,
so we
can't
do.
do
It's
this
always
every
beautiful.
morning.
Yes.
I love that. And we also fellowship, you know, the fellowshipping, shaking on each other, well health, how your
Yeah.
mind, mental, you know, everything.
Everything. And cooking brings everyone together. That's one thing I can say about the big green egg. Once you get it fired up, people saying, I'm on the way to your house. So you cooking, that's
Oh, for
one
sure.
thing. If
Yeah.
you just say you cooking, that's fine. But if you say you cooking on the big green egg,
They on the
I'm
way.
on the way.
Everybody shows up.
Everybody shows
Oh yes.
up. So I'm gonna go in and flip some more pieces of this bacon, y'all. Just kind of burping the egg, looking out for the smoke there. We got some crispy pieces coming up here, too.
It smells so
I like
good.
mine a little crispy, y'all.
This cinnamon smells good as well. Like I can smell it.
I think everybody loves crispy bacon, and that's the key.
Yeah.
So the egg really keeps that temperature where it really can get it crisp.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
Without even really burning it up. We're gonna get some plates and stuff prepped too.
That looks good.
And sis, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some French toast on.
Please do.
Okay.
Absolutely. Mom,
Be
you'll
my
pass me the French
guest.
toast?
Yes.
We'll come around this way, so
Be
we
my
might
guest.
Sure.
reach over the
Oh my,
egg.
yeah, we're gonna need plenty, and that looks great.
Yes, so I'm gonna drop these directly. So you'll see on this side where we're cooking direct. And we're gonna go just straight on, try to get some really nice grill lines here. This French toast is nice and buttery, so we're also hoping too that we get a nice kind of non-stick surface is what we're
absolutely
what we're hoping for.
And it gets the smoke flavor in there, and that's what's so wonderful. That's different than your regular toast.
All right, so we're looking good. We got all the French toast down here. Don't worry if you kind of get a little bit of that stick to it. We oiled it up, buttered it up really nice.
Yes.
So once it gets nice and warm, it should release for us and we'll flip it.
Okay.
You know, you want those nice grill lines. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some of this bacon off. Mama, if you'll pass me.
It looks nice and crisp.
Yeah, we'll come around this way.
Uh-huh.
Absolutely. This is a good time to go ahead and line up a nice little pan so you kind of miss out on those drippings. But the beautiful thing about cooking it on this plancha on the egg is that all the grease kind of just lines up at the bottom. So you're just getting it drains it for
really
you.
well.
So you're getting a really
Real
nice,
good
crispy piece of bacon without all the extra bacon fat.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel so special.
It's Mother's Day brunch. You should
is.
always feel special every day,
yes.
but Mother's Day is definitely a special day.
Absolutely, sis. If you want to go ahead and grab that over, we got our
Yes.
bacon ready. We're gonna keep it nice and warm, and our French toast is doing its thing over here on the other side. We got a couple pieces we'll flip in just a moment, but we're kind of gonna let it smoke a little bit
Yeah,
more.
let it smoke. Get a nice little smoke on that French toast.
We want a nice color on it. We're gonna hit the top and bottom vent just a little bit, kind of calm our temperature down since we got just our bread on there. And we're gonna go ahead and get started and get those pineapples on the other side.
Excellent. Yes.
What's nothing like some good smoked fruit?
Oh my goodness.
Thank you,
I
Mom.
love
Pineapples
pineapples.
at
You're
that.
welcome. You're welcome.
Oh my
I'm
gosh,
so
and the French toast is cooking up beautifully. So we're gonna go ahead and flip a couple more pieces and get some of those off, but the pineapples are gonna go directly on. Why not?
Why not?
So they're gonna go right here, get some nice grill marks on that plancha. And we're not worried about any of the excess grease or anything because it's resting down there in the bottom. The goal here is just to get some nice grill lines and then that nice smoky flavor that the egg brings.
Of course, bacon makes everything taste good.
It does.
So what?
That's
Yeah,
true.
just a little bacon juice. I'm
Oh,
so
wow.
excited about you all and what you're doing on the egg, on the big green egg. It's just wonderful because
It
you
is.
bring family together.
Absolutely.
They know you already have a reputation of being good cooks. And
Right.
now, after
Yes.
coming to an excellent cooking machine like the, like the egg, the big green egg,
Right.
everybody is like, wow.
Wow.
Wow,
yes.
Felicia and India has really took it like to
next
upper,
level.
yeah,
It's the
up to
diversity
next
for
level.
me.
Right.
It's the
right.
diversity. Like anything can go on there.
Oh yeah.
Any and everything can go on that machine.
I see.
And I love the big green egg.
Bacon, eggs, our famous award-winning smoked oxtails,
Right.
pound cake.
Pound cake, yes.
Like you
And just
name it.
think, you all
Yeah.
started from the oxtails and Gouda cheese grits.
Absolutely.
And that was just a marvelous hit from the
Yes.
first Oktoberfest, third place to the
Yes.
second place, and then the third one to first place.
Absolutely.
You know
Now,
my favorite
yeah.
recipe?
Uh-huh.
Love.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's my favorite.
That is. Your
It
passion
is.
passion has flavor.
Love.
Passion
Yes,
has flavor.
yes. Passion does have flavor. So
Passion
yeah, you
has
can't.
flavor.
And what a lot of people don't know is that our first recipes came from our Mother's Day traditional meal.
right.
So yeah, and I think we may have told this story before, but for those who don't know, our award-winning smoked oxtails, we used to cook for years. It was one of the things that we came together as a family.
Years.
We always did it in our large Dutch oven.
Right.
We cooked it over the stove for hours, and then one day me and sis were like, let's put it on the big green egg, and we did it for Mother's Day. And it was chef's kiss. It honestly just changed everything. So
Yeah, it's been like every year, ever since.
year.
Maybe sometimes 2 or 3 times a year.
Christmas.
Every holiday.
We kind of use her. Them
Yeah.
like, oh yeah, we want some oxtails.
Yeah, every holiday. People like, you got the oxtails? You're cooking the oxtails? Yes, well, I'm there. I'm there.
It's one of my favorite Mother's Day memories. And it's a blessing. You know, it's a blessing to be able to sit around and have your family around and
Oh, my
celebrate your
goodness.
mom.
Yes.
Our mom is
Well,
an
thank you.
amazing woman. And
Well, bless
I
you
will
all.
say she's not the biggest cook. So she stands by the
I'm
eggs.
excited about you
She
too
makes
being
amazing
excellent cook.
fried. The dishes she's good at.
Yeah, the dishes she's good
Can
at.
nobody
is
duplicate.
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
The cornbread.
The cornbread.
The cornbread. The fried
Yes,
chicken.
the fried chicken has always been my task.
Yeah,
for sure.
Absolutely.
It's always like, who made the cornbread?
Yeah, the cornbread is good.
Yes, you are an amazing mom.
Well,
so thank you, Mom,
Thank
for
you.
always
and
being
this is an
there
amazing
for us.
event. I just feel the love. So truly to be coming together.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You can't beat it. So, ladies, I'm gonna go back in and check on this French toast, pull it off, and make sure those pineapples are looking good. Oh my gosh, look at the pineapples, they're gorgeous.
Yes.
So we're just gonna take this French toast here and kind of just plate it up. Yes, absolutely. Even the pieces that have that nice bark, we're not gonna call it char, we're gonna call it bark.
Bark. That's definitely a nice bark on the bread.
Full bark.
Absolutely.
It is gorgeous.
Look how
I
beautiful they
mean,
look.
oh
And to
gosh.
have the toasted edges, and then I'm sure the
Yes, and then the
chewy middle.
soft inside. So I'm gonna leave those pieces kind of cooking over there on the other side. We're gonna grab those. And the pineapples are gorgeous. I mean, look at the lines. Look at the lines you get.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, to garnish
little
it, and then
puree.
those beautiful.
Again, that's on the plunger.
Yes.
That's on the plunger.
And then the beautiful smoked in the half skillet. Oh, that pineapple simple
Ooh,
syrup.
I can't wait.
Now, I
Wait.
am a fanatic for spice.
Thank you, huh?
So I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon on top of that.
Yeah, dress it up, sis.
That's some sugar.
Yes, dress it up. That looks great.
I love spice. They never go wrong with cinnamon. And then go ahead,
Absolutely.
Mom. Go ahead and do the powdered sugar on
Okay.
top. Go sift that thing.
It's gonna be a race to see who can eat the most. This looks delish. Oh, this is delish.
All right, ladies, so we got the bacon done. We got our French toast, beautiful. Mom is dressing it up, so gorgeous.
Yes.
Smoked charcuterie looks amazing. We're gonna go in, flip this plancha, and show you how we do those
Right.
eggs on the other side. And then I'm be ready to eat. Because once the
I am
eggs are
too.
done,
I'm ready to eat.
yes,
with
once the eggs are
Ready
done,
to eat.
it is time to eat. And of course, we gotta go ahead and get those mimosas
Yes.
We definitely have to do a mimosa.
done too. Yeah, I like a before and
I
after
cut-
mimosa.
Yeah, before we cut into anything,
That's
we
using
definitely have to
all.
have a mimosa.
Yes, I'm so excited, you all. Everything's
Yes.
looking
Oh,
beautiful.
So
So I
delicious.
went ahead and put the hot gloves on. I went in and flipped the plancha over. And so we're grill grate side down now.
Yes.
I got it nice and buttered up. This thing is hot and I think it's ready for some eggs.
Okay.
Excellent.
Crack
So
those eggs on the big green
Oh,
eggs.
I
yeah.
know that's
Okay.
right. So I'm gonna bring those around. Sis, you wanna go ahead and tell us what we got going with the mimosas?
So we allowed our smoked pineapples to chill down, cool down, and there is simple syrup and pineapples we allowed smoked on the grill, and we already have our prosecco poured up and our pineapples, you know, for decoration. Take a scoop. That juiced up really good.
That pineapple mimosa looks excellent. And that simple
Yes.
syrup, we really allowed it to chill down.
yes.
So pouring it in there, I'm gonna put these eggshells over here and these eggs are ready.
Okay.
I know they
We're
are.
ready. Yes.
This is like, I went in, I'll go ahead and added some salt to them. So all we gotta do is put our pepper on and they look so good. Oh my gosh, look at the crispy edges.
Oh wow.
They look so good already.
You all have did a masterpiece for Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
And you know, I'm not too much of a sunny side up kind of girl, so I kind of like a nice little crispy fried egg.
Yeah, do it.
But if you love sunny side up, this is perfect.
And there
you
are
are
some
ready.
that do, so it's
Absolutely.
good. Yeah, to get
Like
a
if you
good
got a
fried-
good brunch burger,
Right.
We gotta do that next time,
We
ladies.
have to do a brunch
Yeah.
burger.
I love a
next time.
brunch burger, and then you could put that sunny side up egg on it.
Even on the French toast.
Oh my gosh,
yeah.
even on the French
Yeah.
toast.
It would be delicious on the French toast.
Delicious. So I'm gonna,
Speaking my language.
yeah,
You speak my
absolutely.
language.
So I'm gonna let this roll. You know, this is a good time to open or close on the lid. But if you are open, make sure that you're watching for those flare-ups because we were rolling really hot earlier. Because
Very
we're
hot.
just doing eggs, honestly, you can close your big green egg, and if you're done for the day, go ahead and remember to hit your vents on the top and bottom, and the leftover heat in the egg is gonna finish those eggs off perfectly.
Okay.
It really is. I would like to toast to that.
I would love to toast
Yeah.
to that.
And I would like to toast to you two. I am just so proud of what you all have done or are
thank you.
doing.
Thank
and then to
you.
bring it to me for Mother's Day, I just feel so special.
You deserve
Definitely
it,
with my
Mom.
special
Yeah.
girls.
Happy
So
Mother's
here,
Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh,
Cheers.
smoked
Cheers.
pineapple.
Gotta have my
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
The smoked pineapple, oh,
Let me bite it.
so good.
Oh,
Mmm.
delicious.
Now it's time to eat, y'all.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
wow.
And it looks so good. Oh
The
my gosh,
The
sis.
treat time is here.
It is. We got this amazing French toast. We got our bacon glazed
Ooh.
pineapple, grilled pineapple
Yes,
up
yes.
under the
Yes.
bacon, strawberries, and you cannot forget our smoked pineapple simple syrup mimosas.
Tip
Yes.
it all off. Yes.
Cheers,
Cheers.
ladies.
Yeah, Mother's Day masterpiece.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. We have to pour the syrup.
Go ahead and pour mine.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, this looks so
Wow.
good, y'all.
This is my favorite.
I'm
French
excited
toast,
about it.
First bite.
French
First
toast,
bite.
pancakes.
And
Wow.
that maple syrup was like, oh,
Yes, yes.
oh my gosh. And the fact that you could smoke your syrup too.
I'm gonna do the French toast without
Chef's
the
kiss.
strawberries.
Delish.
It's good, Mom.
It is.
The strawberries are so fresh and sweet.
And the bread, honestly, you could use any type of bread or brioche toast, but this one was elevated
Absolutely.
because it has the fruit in it and you, oh my gosh, putting it directly on the grill grate so you get that nice
no,
crunch.
seriously.
It has a crunch to it.
Now this is how you
It does.
upgrade a fruit cake.
Ooh,
A upgraded fruit cake.
I love it. It turned out so good. Thank you for joining us at the egg today.
Thank you.
I have enjoyed it.
Thank you.
No better place to be with my girls.
Thank you.
Yes,
Black
thank
Girls
you.
Grilling at the Big Green Egg. Wow.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
I love it. Thank you, girls, so
Yes.
much. Yes. Oh,
Thank you for
this is
joining
the
us
best.
today. Thank you so
This
much.
has been the best Mother's Day ever.
Again, this is Sisterhood and Smoke.
Yeah.
I'm India.
I'm Felicia.
And we're Black,
Black
Girls,
Girls
Grilling with BGG Mom.
Yes, see you next
Yes.
Thank
Alrighty.
you. See you next time, you guys.
We about to get this big green egg cleaned up, y'all. Nothing wrong with a little scrub it up, y'all. We shining up our big green egg.
Bringing it back to life. You don't want a scrambled egg, baby.